This is Mr. Rafa Pinoy Chicago, and we are here at West Pinoy, Lawrence and Drake. So we have the extraordinary contestants for tonight, vying for the second week nomination of Pinoy Karaoke Idol. Last week, we started last week, hindi mo masyadong tignan na yung conscious ako. Baka naging telephone number namin. Anyway, nasa second week na po ang West Pinoy. Last week, hindi namin namin last week, yung tawa ng babae niya, si Jasmine. Wala naman nakilala ko hanggang ito, natawa pa rin. Tsaka si Mr. Tom Morada, congratulations to both of you. They got your first week nomination, and this is our second week. Ang process, if you win week one, which they did, and it's another week tonight, and then another season will be the week 3, you guys are going to compete on what we call semifinals on the last week. Yung ginawa po namin sa Isabel, sa bahay ng Ubo, tsaka sa Ilocos. Now, those who go to win for the semifinals will compete against all the winners from the 3 different restaurants. And this particular idol is the first legit competition ng Filipino community dito sa Chicago. So if you ever win here, you will represent West Pinoy against all the winners of the Euros, again, Bahay Kubo, and then this is the Spirit on June 12, 2013.
Oh, that's Independence Day.
That's Independence Day, thank you very much. Yeah, Independence Day. Dapat malaya na ngayon, wala na yung commitment na. Anyway, for those of you who have some inquiries about tonight's competition, ang mananalo po ba ay mag-uwi ng isang masibabang palakpakan? Hindi pa, wala pa nananalo. Excited? Okay. But on the semifinals itself, you guys will see what you call it, gift certificate from West Pinoy, and at the same time, as a trophy, as a token of appreciation that you guys have won the competition for this establishment. The grand finals, if you win, fortunately, West Pinoy will win all of the grand finals, you will receive $500 cash. So just imagine you will win $500 cash for just 3 songs. Because you will sing tonight, you will sing on the semifinals, and at the same time you will sing the grand finals. So you only need 4 songs to have $500 plus the distinction of being the first Pinoy Karaoke Idol. So hindi mo mawawala sa inyo kahit magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming child support.
Wala ko sabihin maraming asawa.
We would like to thank again West Pinoy, Isabel Sprill, Bahay Kubo, and Humorous for making this Pinoy Karaoke Idol possible. Okay? We would like to thank Joyce James, Kuliga Iha, for the sponsors of Pinoy Karaoke Idol. We would like to thank Angels for sponsoring Pinoy Karaoke Idol. We have one judge today. His name is Mr. Lorne Pinada. He's a regular judge for Pinoy Karaoke Idol. He brought side band somewhere during early 2000. So he has this thing for music. He brought a lot of local talents from the Philippines at the same time. We do events together. So he has this sharp hearing when it comes to voice quality. And for those of you who are not aware of the mechanics of the contest, 85% goes to voice quality, 15% goes to audience impact. So pagka marami kayong pala, maraming papalakpak sa inyo, sigurado na 15% na kayo. I would like to acknowledge the presence of my very good friend, Alan. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo sa akin. I want to remind everybody that this competition is streaming live. So kahit nasa deployment pa yung mga kaibigan nyo, nasa Manila, nakikita nila kami ngayon. Kaya binabati ko palagi si Mr. Jimmy David. Because this competition is streaming live. Where you find it? Go to www.ipinoychicago.com. Okay, let's start the competition. They were working for the members who's going to sing first. We have three extraordinary talents tonight. Si Miss Josefina, batang-bata, 21 years old. Si Miss Susan, mga 20 and a half. And then si Miss Marcy, si Miss Sarah Wright, wow, mga 18 and 75. 18 and 24 sa age, yan. Mga hindi pa kung pwedeng i-take. Ayun. So let's keep the ball rolling now, and let's call the first contestant ang walang magawa sa bahay, Miss Josefina.
Pwede po ang pumalakpak. Pwede po. Topic po.
Ay, wala.
I'm excited.
Excited eh.
pangalan mo nila?
Ano, girl?
Yung pangalan mo ninyo, hindi yung trabaho niyo. Ilan lang po ang boyfriend niyo?
Ako, marami na. Ayan, pinandayos ko na sila.
Ano po yung feeling niyo yun?
Wala na silang pera, paano?
Oo, ba?
Pinandayos ko ngayon.
Abang.
Ako ngayon.
Legal pala.
Aba, ang Neri umuusok ng pera. Di ba? Kamusta po yung feeling na imanda ngayon?
Oo, maganda. Sanay na ako kasi, sa mga senior center, meron kami Hawaiian. I'm a group of Hawaiian. That's why when I hear that music, I do. If you want, I can have a sample of Blue Hawaii.
Paano mo po yung Hawaii? Sa inyo po sample? Kanta sa, kailangan maganda. Kunyari may imaginary song.
Sample ito para my eye association. Blue Hawaii, Blue Hawaii.
Pero, ang madalas po ba kayo dito sa recipe mo? Ano po ang madalas yung order?
Ako, pansit at saka kalabok, saka sinigang na bangus, pero
Masarap naman po, ano?
hindi kasi madalas akong mag-tendency ko dito na hindi
Madinig po, madinig.
ayaw pumasok yung tinig.
Maraming salamat po sa oras ng pag-ibigin po mga sa amin dito.
This, I really look forward for this, idol.
Salamat po ng marami namin sa Pina. O sa akin po natin po yung tips natin kung ano po yung mga ano. Kasi for your information, it's a customer. Ngayon ako nag-interview ng contestant. Tanong po sa judge natin. Kasi naagiwa ko sa kanya eh. Ano nga? Talagang, this is,
So I'm special then.
very, very special mga para-para. Mga labas,
You're welcome to my senior center. See them on June 20, we have a Independence Day. About 12:30.
sa dalawang Independence Day, June 12 at June 20.
No, that's our schedule for next schedule. The real one is June 12 for Illinois, right? But everybody has their day for
Okay. So June 20.
one group will go to the other side. Not everybody can go again.
Sige po, TikTok, salamat po din sa information. Yung vlogging mo, may bayad sa amin yun. Okay. Tanong natin si Judge Noel, yung masasabi po din sa inyo. It's a customary for us to ask the judge kung paano ma-improve yung pagkanta. Okay? Kung meron po masasuggest, ganyan. So, hindi pong personal na kasi nakakapagpabata po yung sinasabi niya.
We also have karaoke there.
Okay. Good evening po, Josefina. No? Salamat po pag-join mo tonight. We thank you for embracing us tonight here. And ang masabi ko po sa boses mo po, maganda po yung boses mo. Medyo mahina lang po, medyo lakas-lakasan lang natin. Kasi ang narinig ko, music, ang boses mo mahina. Pero you have a good voice po. I like your attitude sa stage. Personality mo po sa stage, napakasaya po. Na yun ang kung mabigyan kita ng 100% doon, bibigyan kita ng 100% doon. Pero natuwa po ako sa everybody naman natuwa. Salamat po.
Salamat po namin sa Pino. You can go back to the seat and you proceed to customer number 2. That was a good observation, Mr. Mario Pineda. Brother, let's keep the ball rolling because let's call in contestant number 2. Kung sa ayaw mo, kakatawagin po.
Pagkatapos mo mag-warm up, bibitinin mo ako. Susunod.
Yung number niya. I'm busy.
Of course, kailangan mo pasalamatan yung mga kasama natin dito sa loob. Francis, kumusta yung mga pagkain niya? Si Francis ang may gawa niya. Yeah. Sino nag-serve sila sa kanya? Thank you very much. Yung mga kasama natin sa likod, salamat ng marami. So, pagkakaan po natin yung mga negosyo ng Filipino at saka negosyo ng Sigaw. Pag ito yung sumuprograhan, ayun yun, magagawa ko.
Hello.
I think that was part of the MP3 UK second version. Thank you, Susan. Hey, Susan tayo! Susan tayo. Alright, so parang feeling ko mag-interview, para ba yung kayo yung kanta na yan? Ano yung kanta na ito? Way You Love Me. Showbiz ka? Alright, this is your first time to join competition?
Yes.
So, how did you hear about Pinnacle Idol?
I'm sorry.
How did you hear about Pinnacle Idol?
Jasmine.
Ituro mo sino? Sino ka sa namin? Yes. Are you a regular patron of the Rest of Pinoy? Regular patron, yeah. Anong paborito mo sa Rest of Pinoy? Bukod sa halo-halo na yung rules.
The halo-halo is really good.
Halo-halo lang? Then dapat umorder ka. Sa floor mistake sa... Lagi na sila kasi di ba sila umorder. So yung mistake sa yung halo-halo. Okay, so how does it feel being the first time in competition?
It's kind of red light.
Lumapit ka dito, kalibigin ka.
I'm so nervous.
No, it's totally understandable. Si ate o nag-sip ko na siya dito. Ayun. Kaya sabi niya, tignan mo natin na sigurado nakakabahan lang siya nag-sip. Right? Pagkakapitis sila talaga yung nakakaba. Kahit ito, hindi madali ito. Kala niyo, hindi naman tayo pwesto. Mamahirap ito eh. So, we'd like to thank you for giving us your time and spending time with Rest of Pinoy. We appreciate that. But then again, we would like to ask our judge what any reaction is. I think you pulled it off. I think you did a great job. Really. Si Susan, si Brother Manay. Nakakapagpatabayo ko sinasabi niya.
Hello, Susan. First of all, thank you for pagsali tonight. I know hindi ka medyo prepared, no? Nagulat ka na contestant ka pala tonight. But anyway, dahil sa kanya. Okay, ang kanta na yun napakahirap actually. And you really delivered very well. Yung boses mo very clear, diction mo very clear. And yung stage presence mo is very good also. Yeah, medyo nahihiya ka, medyo hindi ka confident sa stage, pero ma-develop mo yun later on. Practice. Okay? Thank you.
Susan, sabi ni Susan, ang last pala ng stage personality ko, next time magpapapower ko ako niya. Ayun. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa weather, 70 degrees, huwag yung kalaman si Jasmine. Punta tayo sa rest of the world, tayo ng halo-halo. Yung kwento niya. Tapos bakit kami lagi mo? Pulating dito, yung Jasmine na pala siya. Ayun. Yung galing mo ha? I like it now. Best for the night. Okay. So, sa lahat ng mga nakikinig po namin nakikinig sa amin sa streaming live sa iProChicago.com, we would like to welcome you sa Rest of Pinoy. Salamat po dahil hindi mo sa labas, binibigyan niyo kami ng oras para pakinggan dito. I just want you to know that iProChicago.com has a radio internet station online at www.iProChicago.com. May fanpage po kami. Akala nyo kayo lang, kami rin, di ba? Fanpage po namin is facebook.com/iProChicago. We're also on Twitter. Guess what our handle is? iProChicago. So yung video na rin mapapanood mo rin sa YouTube channel kami, iProChicago.com. So in every aspect of social media, you can only remember one name, which is iProChicago. And we want to be the number one source of information for Filipinos in Chicago. Alright, 1, 2 is already history. So let's create another beautiful history by performing contestant number 3. Again, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our friends, si friend V, si friend GC, si friend R, at si friend Silence. Salita na, ha? So, contestant number 3 is set right.
Hindi po sila.
Wala pa kayo mga kamay dyan.